Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure dictionary, and in this video we will see dictionary method update. Update method is used to add key value pairs to the dictionary. Means adding new elements to the dictionary using another dictionary or a iterable. If the key and values is already present, key will remain as it is, value will be updated. Let's start. In the first case, we have dictionary D7 having 5 elements, 2, 3, 10, key 4 and 10, 20 are the keys. And in the second cell, you have D2 dictionary having key 1, 2 and 3. Here, key 2 is repeating while rest of the 2 and 3 is repeating. 1 is a new key. Therefore, when we update D7 with a dictionary D2, 1 Python will be added and 2, 3 will be updated. So, we call the update method D7 dot update. We are updating D7 with the dictionary D2. So one new key value pair is added and previous 2 key value pairs were updated. So if you print the value of D7, you can see 1 Python new key value pair added, 2 Python programming and 3 Python 3 were key value pairs which were updated. Another way of adding key value pair to a dictionary is using keyword arguments, which is a iterable inside the parameter of the update method called via dictionary object. Therefore, d7 dot update, and in parameter we are passing keyword argument a is equal to 150 comma b is equal to 270. You need to pass a iterable which is having key value pairs. Then only d7 can be, or dictionary object can be updated. Click on the cell and run the cell. Now AB was not present as a key in the dictionary. Therefore, when you see the elements of the dictionary D7, you will see A and B new key value pairs are added with the value 150 and 270. That's it regarding update method. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.